Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and your first term exam is finished now. So now it's time to prepare our third term exam. Okay, so we will first discuss this chapter, that is chapter 11, weight, volume and density. So in this chapter we will learn what is weight, volume and what is density. So our first topic is weight, volume and density. You can measure the amount of any material in two ways. So first one is by its volume and second one is by its weight. So there is an example given. When you buy milk or petrol, you measure its volume in liters. Okay. So when we buy milk or petrol, we measure it in volume, in liters, not in kg or anything. So thus you buy this by measuring how much space or volume they occupy. So we measure this milk or petrol by measuring how much space it has occupied. But when you buy rice and potatoes, you measure their weight in kilograms. So when you buy rice, potato, we measure it in a weight, okay, in kilograms. Thus, you buy this by measuring how heavy they are. So when we buy rice, potato, we measure how much heavy it is, that is by their weight. So what is the relationship between the volume and weight of a substance? So what is the relationship? What do you think? So let us discuss. When the volume of a substance increases, so when the volume of a substance is increased, its weight also increases. Okay, it is when the volume of a substance increase, you can see in this picture, then its weight also increases. The more the weight of a rice you buy, the greater will be its volume. Okay, so next page. But suppose you buy the same weight of cotton wool and rice. Now they are saying that we are buying the same weight of cotton wool and rice. So which will have greater volume? You can see in this picture, this is an cotton wool and this is rice. So which one is greater volume? Obviously the cotton wool, because it takes in much space as compared to rice. So the cotton wool is lighter than rice. So different materials have different volumes for the same weight. So if we take equal volumes of rice and cotton wool, which one will be heavier? So see the question, which one will be heavier? So obviously the rice will be heavier than the cotton wool. So equal volumes of different materials have different weights. So now to compare the weights of the same volume of different materials, we find their densities. So to compare the weights of the same volume, if we are going to compare the weights of the same volume of a substance of different materials, we find their densities. The density of a substance actually tells us how closely the molecules in a substance are packed. So there is a given how we find the density of a substance. Density is defined as the weight of unit volume of a substance, or if we are finding the density of some substance, how will you find? We will find density equal to the weight of that substance by the volume of that substance. We will get our density. The greater the density of a substance, the heavier it feels, as its molecules are packed more closely. Thus rice has greater density than cotton wool. So up to this, students, in our next video we will continue the next part. Thank you.